Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to discuss about Godrej Consumer Products. So I want to talk about a swing trading opportunity. So before we go into the content of this video, a regular disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered analyst, and this video is not a buy sell recommendation. Do your own research, and if you like the analysis, then you take position accordingly. So let's get into the analysis of this stock. So Godrej Consumer Products now has been setting up for a good trading opportunity. So what is it doing? So if we analyze what it has done in the past, so it has reached 1536 around a year ago. So 1 year ago it has reached a good price. From there, if you see, it has corrected around 36%. So that's a healthy correction. So after a uptrend, there will be a correction. That correction is 36%. So this is expected. After correction, if you see what this stock is doing, so this stock has bottomed out here, and then it is now started trading above 200 EMA. So slowly it is actually consolidating around 200 EMA. Now if you further analyze this stock now, it is forming a nice trend line. So it is following this trend line. So this is one touch here, and then there is another support it has taken. This is a third support it has taken. So this looks like a valid trend line. So for a trend line to be valid, at least three touches have to be there. Looks like, I think this also we can consider it as another touch. 1 2 3 4 touches are there. So this is a valid trend line. And then on top, if you see, there is also another line which is forming as a resistance, that is around 1305. So there is a resistance here once, another twice, three times. So there is a three times resistance. And then if you see this trend line and then the top line, both of them are forming a nice triangle pattern. So now this triangle pattern is a very powerful pattern, and then once it breaks out, it will give a nice swing trading opportunity. So now where would be the entry, where would be the stop loss, and where would be the target taking? So those are things that we need to see. Once this consolidation gets completed, maybe I guess another 3 4 days, and then it will break once it starts closing above 1305. So that means you need to see a close above 1305. So that is your entry point. And then where would your stop loss be? Your stop loss depends upon your risk appetite, but a very safe stop loss according to me would be 1155. And then where would be the target? Target would be the high that it has achieved in a year ago, that is September 24. So safely you can easily wait till there. So if you look in terms of risk reward ratio, because that's more important in a trade, if you look at it, so let's say you enter at this blue line and then put a stop loss here, that would be bigger, but to be safe side you can do it, or you can also put another conservative stop loss around 12.17. But for the sake of discussion, and it will be on the conservative side, let's see, you have put a stop loss here. So that stop loss and your target will be this. So that will give you a risk reward ratio of 1.53. So anywhere between 1.5 to 2, this trade it would offer a 1.5 to 2 risk reward ratio. So in swing trading, 2 risk reward ratio is a very good risk reward ratio. You don't, people will say 1 is to 5, 1 is to 10, all those are not at all possible. Those are only just for hype. But in reality, most of the trading opportunities will be only 1 is to 2 and 1 is to 1.5 to 1 is to 2. If you achieve 1 is to 2 and yet 50% probability, also you will be profitable overall, because every 3 trades that you take, you will win 2 trades, you will lose 1 trade. 50% probability means one trade, one win, one loss, but your loss will be one part and your profit will be two parts. That means overall you will be profitable. So this is a very good trading opportunity in that sense. And then I'm not saying that it will stop here, but we need to see the behavior around this line to see whether to stay there or not. But at least consider the target is there. So I feel that this stock is setting up, and then it has crossed about 200 EMA and then sustaining about 200 EMA. That means it turned bullish now, and then it will break this triangle, and then it will reach the target. So that's the overall analysis that I have. So if you like this analysis, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will be posting many more videos like this, and then share it with your family and friends. So till next video, we will see you in the next video. Bye.